What's up guys, it's Yappy. Today we're going to be scuba diving and searching for treasure at the bottom of the Chattahoochee. This is the first time that we're diving this area in over 6 months. If you're new to the channel, we do diving videos where we try to find treasure and people's lost valuables and try to return that back to them. We also pick up trash and clean the bodies of water as we go. I have all my dive gear on and I'm ready to dive in the water and start searching, but let's get this video started.
This is Florida. Oh yeah. Good. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's the biggest spotted rock ever.
Alright, coming out of the water for the very first time and the last time because I am freezing cold. Jake had the perfect idea. He's got a sweatshirt, he's nice and dry, but obviously you guys have already seen what I found, but I want to show the boys what I found. There wasn't too much treasure. I guess the rafters are getting a little bit smarter with their dry suits. Nothing's being lost, but I did find a bunch of lures, some trash, and a few pretty cool items, so I want to show the boys real fast what I got. So I was really hoping for that GoPro, that iPhone, or even that Apple Watch, but we got some pretty cool stuff. I'm gonna show you the coolest, one of the cool. Got a knife.
Potential murder weapon.
Potential murder weapon. This is a potential murder weapon for sure.
Oh, that's cool. What is that used
It's like
for?
a little grappling hook.
What do you do that with?
So
Oh,
I think that someone is out here magnet fishing.
Yeah.
They lost their magnet and they're trying to get it and lost that.
Kendall actually showed me a picture of someone magnet fishing the other
Really?
day. Yeah,
So they probably wiped out all the
that's-
treasure. This is a really cool find. I've never found anything like this, but just a giant grapple hook. Yeah.
grappling hook.
Batman came out here and he didn't make it out.
When did I come out?
When did I come out here? And of course, I haven't picked up one of these in a minute.
man.
What we used to call it, the Megadome.
The Megadome. This thing is gross.
So
moldy.
nasty.
It used to be that color.
Yeah. So it used to be that.
About that color and
Used to be that. Used to be that nice white, and it's just a big fluke, a weighted fluke that these people are trying to catch these stripers with. We also got a nice pair of pliers. They're kind of like the spring-loaded ones, so that's pretty nice.
Those look nice, actually.
Yeah, pretty cool. Let me see, let me see. You put them in your bag. Just a bunch of other nasty stuff. Got a bike grip. We got some Popeyes grape jelly. I'm shaking.
Oh.
We got one of those
Bam.
bitty, it's kind of like a jewel, like a bitty stick. And then I've never heard of this thing. It's like a good stick. So three different types of little vapes.
That good.
That good. That wood. And then a little piece of a fishing reel, but nothing too much. We just cleaned up. Ow, dude, that is sharp. Also, I'd have to say the best find of the day has to be this giant, what is this? Zebco 88.
I've seen that online.
888.
You know how much money that is?
30 bucks, man.
No, that's a vintage.
This is vintage.
$32,000.
I found this. It only reels backwards.
No.
Oh.
No, you really.
Oh!
You got him.
You know, like I'm most like, okay. It
Wait,
only
hey.
reels backwards.
Reel it in.
All right, let's see what's at the bottom. I got farts. Jay. All right, let's see what's at the bottom of it.
I was actually hooked on you when I was reeling it up.
When I gave it to you?
Yeah, I was trying to catch you.
When I gave it to him, he was hooked on me. He was trying to catch me.
What if you have a fish on the
Dude.
thing?
That'd be crazy.
Can you imagine doing that?
This is a big rod. They're trying to catch some
Yeah.
catfish or something.
What's on
Oh,
it? Ah,
we got nothing.
that's still kind of cool. It works.
That is cool.
I
But
like that.
I'm gonna leave this right here. Not littering. Some other cat fishermen or some type of striper fisherman might be able to use that. But we're gonna clean up all the stuff, throw all the stuff that we found away. We're gonna keep that grapple hook and the pliers. Might be able to use those. But today has been a cold and gloomy freaking adventure. Jake, like I said, Jake had the perfect idea. Staying dry. I should be in bed right now. It's super early in the morning, but I thought I'd come out.
At dark. He's like, let's go dive. I'm like, dude, it's cold.
Water's about to be rising. I'm not really sure where this video goes from here, but we will pick you up then. So hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this adventure, picking up all those different pieces of treasure underwater with me. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you never miss out on any crazy adventure that we go on. If you enjoyed this video, leave this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos on the channel, I have the link to some more treasure videos where we actually find real treasure in the description below. But that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys, and as always.